Okay, students, we are coming up for adjoint of a matrix and inverse of a matrix. Okay, first we'll discuss what is adjoint of a matrix. Let A be the matrix comprising of 1 2 4 5 minus 3 2 minus 1 3 minus 2. First we'll find its determinant. Check it out whether it's 0 or not. If it is 0, then we have different cases. We'll not be able to find A inverse with this formula. Okay, and then we need to find cofactors of elements of matrix A in order to find the adjoint of matrix A. So now we will start with cofactors. The cofactor A11 of element 1, that is first row first column, is defined to be equal to minus 1 to the power I plus j, that is 1 plus 1, into its corresponding minor m11. Now what is m11? See, minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 will be plus 1 only, and minor nothing but determinant, which is obtained by hiding first row first column. So hide first row and first column, we will get this determinant minus 3 2 3 and minus 2. Minus 3 2 3 and minus 2. That will be 6 minus 6 equal to 0. So the cofactor A11 is 0. Now first row second column, again it is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 into minor of first row first column element. See, minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2, this is minus 1 cube, that is minus 1 into minor determinant. What is minor determinant of first row second column element? First row second column element, that is 2. So you have to hide first row and second column. You get 5 2 minus 1 minus 2. 5 2 minus 1 minus 2. Here you are able to get it very nicely. It is nothing but 5 into minus 2, minus 10, then minus of minus 2, that is minus 10 plus 2, it will be minus 8, and that with multiplied with minus 1, it will be 8. Okay, you followed it now. It is minus 10 minus of minus 2, it will be minus 8, and this minus sign is going to make it plus 8. So first row second column element will be 8. Now similarly first row third column element, again it is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3. Okay, and then we have first row third column. We have to hide this first row and third column. So 5 minus 3 minus 1 3 into minor 5 minus 3 minus 1 3. As you can see here, 5 minus 3 minus 1 3. Let's simply have to calculate this. It will be nothing but minus 1 to the power 4, it will be plus 1. Then 15 minus of 3, that means 15 minus 3, that is 12. Okay, so the first row third column element is 12. Similarly, we can find second row first column element, second row second column element, second row third column element. Third row first column element, third row second column element, third row third column element. It is very simple. If you see, you can directly find out. If you want to find the cofactor of second row first column, that is A21. So second row, where is it? Second row first column. So second row first column is an odd location, so you'll have to put a minus sign. So whatever minor determinant calculated, that you multiplied with minus sign. You have to negate it. Okay, second row, first column. So it will be 2, 4, 3, minus 2. So 2, 4, 3, minus 2 means this is minus 4, minus 12. So it will be minus 4, minus 12. That is minus 16. And since it is odd location, so it will be plus 16. Then 2, 2, positive, even location. So second row, second column. Again, you are talking about the leaving this element, row and column. So this is row, sorry, this row and this column. Second row, second column. So the edge elements 1, 4, minus 1, minus 2. So it will be minus 2 minus of minus 4, that is minus 2 plus 4, that is plus 2. As it is, we will write, because it is minus 1 to the power 4. Now here it will be what? Odd location. 2 plus 3 will be 5. So minus 1 to the power 5 will be minus 1 only. Now you have to talk about the determinant. Second row, third column. What is second row, third column? This is second row, third column. So we are leaving second row and third column. So we are getting 1, 2, minus 1, 3. So it is 3 plus 2. This is 3 plus 2. That means this is 3, second row, third column. This is 3 into 1, minus of minus 2 plus 2. Okay, 3 plus 2 will be 5. That too with the odd location, it will be minus 5. In the same way, we will calculate the third row, first column element, that cofactor. How to calculate? Since it is even location, need not change the sign. Odd location, change the sign. Whatever answer you get, you just reverse the sign. And this is third row, third column, it is positive. So it is plus, minus, plus. So we'll go with this. So about third row, first column. Third row, first column. That means this L, we have to leave it. 2, 4, minus 3, 2. So 4 plus 12, it is 16. 4 plus 12, it is 16 as it is. Third row, second column element. Third row, second column element. It is what? Odd location, we need to change the sign. Third row, second column element, A32. So third row, second column element, 1, 4, 5, 2. So 2 minus 20, that is minus 18. So it will be what? Plus 18. Then third row, third column element. This row, third row and third column. We have to leave it. Then this will be your minor determinant or minor. 1, 2, 5, minus 3. So how to calculate the minor value? Minus 3, minus 10. This is minus 13. Even location, no need to change the sign. Minus 13. So we have got the cofactor matrix. So what is the cofactor matrix? Wait. It is cofactor matrix. It is nothing but equal to, we will calculate, it is nothing but A11 is 0. I will write it here 0. First row, first column 0. Then A12, it is what? A12 is 8, A13 is 12. Okay, A13 is 12, A12 is 8, A13 is 12. Then A21 is 16, A22 is 2, A23 is minus 5. A21 is 16, A22 is 2, A23 is minus 5. Then we'll move to the third row. A31 16, A32 18, A33 minus 13. So 16, 18 minus 13. This is your cofactor matrix. This is your cofactor matrix with respect to A, matrix A. So if you transpose this matrix, you will get the adjoint A. Adjoint A. Adjoint A, or in short form, adjoint of A matrix is nothing but the transpose of this matrix. Simply rows into columns interchanged. Rows and columns are interchanged. So it is 0, 8, 12, 16 to 18. Sorry, 16 to minus 5. It should be minus 5, right? It should be minus 5. Here it will be, wait, I'll write properly. It is nothing but 0. First row will become first column. 0, 8, 12. Then 16 to minus 5. Then 16, 18, minus 13. So this is your adjoint of A. If you want to find A inverse, this is nothing but the formula 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Therefore, A inverse is nothing but, what is determinant of A? We have calculated 64. 1 upon 64 times this matrix, cofactor matrix. What is that? Adjoint of A. It is 0, 16, 16, 8, 2, 18, 12, minus 5, minus 13. So this is how you find the inverse of A using adjoint method. So I hope you understood this video. More next, because we have much to do with the solutions of equations with the help of inverse of the matrix. You should understand each and every step clearly, then only you can calculate the cofactors. See, each and every step is demonstrated in the textbook. If you go through it, definitely will understand. But if you don't understand, this video will help you. Even then also, after this also, if you don't understand, then please feel free to ask, put up in the WhatsApp. I'll definitely explain you. Okay, children?